My best tips on how to find work-at-home jobs. Job hunters nowadays have an alternative way of having the potential job wherein they can even work at home. The internet world has become a large market database which is made up of consumers, manufacturers, businesses and companies that transacts products, services and money transaction every day. The internet marketing transaction has been used by the entire business available online because of the huge market of online consumers. Firstly, with the online competition of providing better service and products to online users, consumers not only gets advantage from the promo, discounts, and other cheap and affordable deals, but some online consumers are also offered by these companies to do some paid survey or research for them. The online competition has produced also a means of how to find work-at-home jobs, and one of the easiest job online is by taking a paid survey wherein consumers are just going to answer some questions about a company and their offered commodities and services online, how it differs with others, or the advantages of a certain product from another product offered by another company. Secondly, another means of how to find online work-at-home job is by searching for online job providers that offers jobs related to writing, wherein freelancers or any person who has good grammar skills can take an online job involved in article writing or creating articles, reviews or blogs about a product, services, company, business, insurance, etc., editing thesis and proofreading documents. Thirdly, there are online jobs that also require you to encode administrative-related documents wherein the job provider will provide you with the necessary software to make your encoding job easier, or jobs that simply require you to transfer file on PDF format to Word format documents. Persons who love to play online games can also make money by just playing online games which are not released yet. The gamer will just have to rate the game according to its gameplay, graphics, controls, etc. With many jobs available online, job seekers must be skilled enough to apply for a particular job which they can easily handle. Never also forget that the tool needed by job seekers is to have a reliable internet-ready computer to apply for jobs online and work at home. There's one work-at-home jobs that we recommend you take a look at, is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, one of the best work-at-home jobs online. For more details, and many other job resources, click the link in the description box below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel for more future informative videos.